Hi, myself Anjanelu. Now I am going to explain placenta in a woman from the chapter Human Reproductive System. Placenta is a structural and functional unit of both chorionic villi and uterine tissues. Placenta is a structural and functional unit of both chorionic villi and uterine tissue. Placenta develops between both the mother and the embryo. It develops between both the mother and the embryo. It separates the mother and embryo. The maternal and fetal blood do not mix with each other as they are separated by the placental membrane. The maternal blood and fetal blood do not mix with each other as they are separated by the placenta membrane. Placenta consists of two essential portions, a maternal part of placenta and a fetal membranes of the fetal part. Maternal part and fetal part. Maternal components of a placenta consists of uterine epithelium, uterine connective tissues and uterine capillary endothelium. And fetal components of placenta are fetal chronic epithelium and fetal connective tissue and also fetal capillary endothelium. You can remember these two easily. One if you remember, the other you can write very easily. Maternal and fetal. Maternal is nothing but uterine related thing. Fetal is nothing but fetus related thing. Placenta is discoidal as villi is restricted to dorsal surface of the blastodisc. It is discoidal. Why it is discoidal? The villi is restricted only to the dorsal surface of the blastodisc. Placenta is a temporary organ which is produced by the mother and it casts off or it destroys during parturition. Parturition is nothing but the childbirth. During the childbirth, the placenta comes out of the female womb. What are the functions of placenta? Placenta supplies oxygen and nutrients to the embryo or the baby growing in the womb of the mother. Removes CO2 and excretory materials produced by embryo. It also removes the CO2 and excretory materials produced by the embryo. Secretes progesterone, which is essential for the maintenance of pregnancy after 4th month. It also secretes progesterone hormone, which is very essential for the maintenance to hold the pregnancy after the 4th month. It secretes estrogens that reach maternal blood and promote uterine growth and development of mammary glands. There will be a connection between the placenta and the maternal blood, that is through villi. So this thing will be helping it secretes the estrogen which will be helping in the that reaches the maternal blood and it also promotes the uterine growth for the baby development and also it develops the mammary glands. Secretes HCG. HCG is human chronic gonadotropin, which is used to test pregnancy as an indicator for the detection of pregnancy in early stages. HCG, human chronic gonadotropin, is used for testing the pregnancy before months. It is a main test where they will be taking the urine and they will be testing whether the mother is pregnant or not. Somatomammotrophine secreted by the placenta has anti-insulin effect on the mother, leading to the increased plasma levels of glucose and amino acids in the maternal circulation. It maintains the insulin level of the glucose levels of the plasma of the placenta and amino acids in the maternal circulation. Okay. Now, how to write this placenta answer? From these all points, you need to write only 8 points for 4 marks. This is a compulsory 4 marks question, and even they will be asking only about the hormones secreted by the placenta. in only 8 marks about the structure of a placenta and what are the essential portions of placenta and what are the functions of placenta. If you write, you will be getting 4 marks. That's all. This is all about the placenta in a woman. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.